BricsCAD V24 has made working with tin surfaces easier than ever, with a UI that's more intuitive and easy to learn. You can select a group of survey points and create a tin quickly and efficiently, and maintain visibility into how that tin was created. You can edit parameters such as edge length so that your tin is as accurate and efficient as possible. You can use the new transparent commands to enter data in common civil survey formats, using this to do, for example, breakline data, whether this is specifying civil point numbers or snapping to any part of a point object. Once your breaklines are created, adding this data is quick and easy, with immediate surface updating, and the ability to use the Properties panel to update any civil points that may be incorrect.